Oi!
Yeah, he did that. He did that. He did that.
Bruh. Split it in half, right?
Love you. And no matter what, keep doing what you do. Keep doing whatever you do. Keep doing it. You gotta keep it moving. Gotta keep it moving.
Good morning, y'all. So I'm so embarrassed because this is taking me so long to do. So basically this is literally day 3. The first day I recorded, as you see, my boyfriend helped me. That was the first day, and I did the braids in the back. And yesterday I did the braids in the front. I had to go to the beauty supply store to get more hair because I needed more hair. And yeah, it was just like I was doing so much, like running errands. I was babysitting my niece, my newborn niece. I haven't been getting a lot of sleep, so I took me some iced coffee in order to do this. So yeah, I know this is like so ghetto, but I already need this coffee. And I like using this. If y'all use this, I already know I love it. Just the milk I use. I thought this was coconut milk because I'm really not a big fan of almond milk, but this don't taste so bad, so I'm just like whatever. But yeah, this is what you need to do. Delicious. So went back to the store, got more braiding hair. Y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I'm not professional at all. My box braids, I didn't care how my box braids look, but it just looked crazy. I just don't like it because like not professionally done. You know, I'm not a professional, but this is just what I'm gonna have to work with. The braiding hair I bought the same brand, Janet, and I got it in the color 4. So this is the hair right here. I gotta braid the rest down. Usually people would just leave it, but I don't know. I just want to braid it just to make the foundation strong. So alright, I'm back. So I'm done with it, and the part I really was trying to show you is the hair. So this is the beauty store I went to in New York. It's called Hello Beauty in Astoria? I think it's Astoria, Long Island City. Astoria or Long Island City. Alright, so yeah. I had to go back yesterday to get 3 more packs. I don't know what I was thinking, getting only 3 packs. I'm like, I know damn well I need more than, like, people use usually 6 to 8 packs. So I bought 6. I didn't buy 8, but I bought 6. So this is the hair I'm using. It's already pre-fluff and pre-stretch. It's the same length as the braiding hair, 36 inches, and I got 3 packs of number 2s and 3 packs of number 4. So like I'm gonna see which one I'm gonna do. Let's just get to it.
Hey guys, so I'm just gonna be doing a quick demonstration video. So I thought you know, I'm just imagine this is a box braid, like the box braids I did previous to the dreadlocks. So basically I'm going to take the I'm going to take the box braid by the root of the hair, well, the root of the box braid where I got my finger at. I'm going to place that small piece and hold it tight to the box braid, and I'm going to wrap it around twice. It's like, so basically you just wrap it around. Then after you're wrapping it around, to make the butterfly effect, here I'm going to show you that I could use my index finger or my thumb and take a thin piece of the hair like so, and you can wrap it around tight and then keep wrapping the hair around the braid, if you get what I'm saying. Or you could just place your finger, you know, in between the hair, keep wrapping, and that's how you make the loop as well. But that's basically it. And I sealed my I sealed the dreads with some nail glue.
Like that's how you do it, shit, like that's how you do it, shit, like
I'm trying to record, buddy. I can pet you later. Hey guys, so I'm back. So I did my makeup for you guys and I did my baby hairs, and this is the finished look. What you think? Cute. But yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys a little update of how it looks and stuff. Thanks to my boyfriend for helping me do my box braids. I'm gonna use 3 packs and 2 strands, not 2 strands, but like, you know, everything is like already pre-stretched, pre-fluffed, and already parted for you. So I'm gonna use like 2 extra dreadlocks, basically. That's what it is. Like, I only use 2 of these out of 1 pack, so I still have like a full 3 packs. But yeah, might not be enough here, even though I bought 6 just in case, because you never know. I ain't feel like going back to the store again. But yeah, so I will be saving it for when I want to redo it, and this here get all raggedy and stuff. I can still keep in those same box braids, and all I gotta do is wrap it up again. Easy peasy. So yeah, I really love how it came out. It looked really, really good.
Your own makeup and you think you cute, so you just be shooting selfie videos because you ain't got nothing
Cute.
So.
But yeah, so you guys let me know in the comments. I just want to wrap this video up because I need to, you know, do my edit and stuff like that. So yeah,
It's
thanks for
giving
watching
what
my
Nikki
channel.
said, purr.